Hello, my name is Bart Staub. I'm here in India at the Jiva Institute with world-famous physician, Ayurvedic physician, Dr. Chauhan. Namaste, Dr. Chauhan.
Namaste, Bart. How are you?
Wonderful, thank you. You introduced the subject of Ayurveda to us in the last video.
Yes.
So it's a discussion of health. What is this health that Ayurveda sees?
It's a very interesting question because most people, when they hear the word health, they are just maybe trying to compare it with a state of body which is free from any symptoms or any kind of like bad pain or some aches in the body. But it's not really the complete definition of health. As per Ayurveda, there is a very beautiful definition given in the ancient textbooks which describes that health is a complete state of balance at physical, sensual, mental and spiritual level. Very interesting. Even at the physical level, when they talk about the health, they talk about quite few things. But just having the physical system working normally is not enough. Sometimes we all experience that my physical body is doing very well, but my mind is not good. Often when you go to the hospital, you do all the checkups and the scans and the tests and everything is normal. And doctor says you are fine, nothing is wrong with you. Or at the most, they might want you to see a psychiatrist or a psychotherapist or a person who deals with mind or a physician who works with mind. So this means that if there is no problem in the body, there could be a problem in the mind which is causing pain, which is causing indigestion. There are a lot of so-called functional syndromes which usually they find no cause for them. There are a lot of autoimmune diseases now for which they say there is no cause. But it doesn't make much sense. If there is a disease, there must be a cause. If there is some work which has manifested, there must be a cause. We say that for every work which has been done, there is a cause. So, in Ayurveda, health is defined as a complete balance. At physical level, everything should be fine. All our senses should be working properly, because if my senses are not working properly, they're not in a state of balance. For example, if I can't hear properly or I can't see properly, I can't smell things, that is also going to create some kind of confusion, because when I don't see things properly, I may conceive something which is not reality, which is not true, and I may take a decision of that particular situation in a wrong way, which can create some problem. And then the mind should be also very happy. We say in Ayurveda it should be happy mind, which also includes our emotional state, which also actually includes our social well-being, because family, society, job, profession, all these things can create a problem in the mind. They can create depression in the mind. They can create unhappiness in the mind. So when I talk about mental well-being, it includes quite a few different things. And lastly, but most important, is spiritual well-being. In Ayurveda, we believe that I am not only this body, I am not only the mind, I am also the soul. And soul is nothing to be afraid of. Soul is not something religious. Many people think whenever you hear the word soul, they'll say, oh, it's something religious. No. Soul is that energy inside this system which keeps everything working, which keeps everything alive. So we have to also make sure that at the spiritual level also we are happy, we are well, and we are healthy at that level. So it's a very, very interesting and very deep definition of health. And most people today, they don't know about this definition of health. So even if they have no physical symptoms, even if they have no high blood pressure, no diabetes, no pain, nothing, no joint pains, they are not healthy. They have problems. So the problem could be in the mind, or it could be at some more subtle level. So Ayurveda identifies the problem at the root, at the basic level where it is existing, and gives a solution. This is the beauty of Ayurveda, that it can provide solutions even at the subtle level. And these days you might be encountering a lot of people, a lot of healers who are trying to heal you at different levels, even at subtle level. There is some energy healing, some pranic healing, or some chakra healing. It's all part of Ayurveda actually, because Ayurveda gives us understanding about the human system. So that's the definition of health, which means creating a balance at all levels of the human system: physical, emotional, social, mental, and spiritual.
Thank you, Dr. Chauhan.
Thank you.
And we'll be coming back with each one of these levels with Dr. Chauhan. So we'll explore the physical, the sensual, the mental, and the spiritual levels in upcoming lectures.